2014 to 2017 Toyota Corolla dash trim replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a Corolla here. I'm going to show you how to replace this trim piece right here on the dash. This one's kind of busted right here. So this trim goes for the 2014 to 2017. Here is my part. It's from Toyota. Here's my part number. It's like a dealer part only as of right now, I guess. They don't sell it on Amazon, but they do sell it on a Toyota parts dealer, and I will link it below. Also, I recommend getting these trim tools. These are made out of plastic so they don't scratch your interior, and I'll link these below. These are sold on Amazon. So I like to start over here. Sorry about the steering wheel angle, but I like to pop this side up, get this in between the trim and the dash, and just kind of pop this side loose a little bit. And then once that side is loose, we're going to kind of just work our way from the left to right and just kind of wiggle it and pull it forward little by little. Just work your way over. And it should start to just kind of pop out. Don't rage rip it out. And it should come out, just keep wiggling it. Wiggling is your friend on this. And then pull it straight out towards yourself. And that's pretty much it. It should come out as a whole piece from here to here. Make sure none of the clips get left behind in the dash at all. Now we just take our new one and line up all the little tabs into the new holes, or into the holes, the new tabs into the holes. We're going to line it up and then just gently kind of push them in place. I like to start from the right and kind of make my way to the left. Just kind of get them in place here. Take your time, push them in. They should snap in place. And that's pretty much it. It's not that hard to do. And just be patient with it, and you should be good to go. Let's go ahead and take a closer look now with the new one. As you can see, looks good. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hey guys, real quick, if you have an 11th generation Toyota Corolla, I just want you to know I have a repair tutorial video pack. It comes with over 40 videos that are all related to your Corolla, with PDF files, all kinds of extra things. It comes on a USB stick, so if you're tired of looking through videos that are kind of helpful online, or you're looking for a video that's not there anymore, this video pack's for you. It comes with the most common repair tutorials, and then a lot of uncommon repair tutorials that you don't do too often. But whatever you got going on your Corolla, it's probably covered in this video pack. Like I said, it's 40 videos. It's quite a lot. The price is $19.99. It comes on a 16 gigabyte USB stick as pictured here. All you got to do is go to my fourth wall page, scroll over to the green USB, the video pack here, click checkout or add to cart, and then click checkout on the right. And then type in your shipping and your payment information, and then within a few days it'll arrive in your mailbox and you'll be good to go. Okay.